Hello, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Frequently Asked Questions with Attorney Melbourne. That's me, the Bankruptcy Edition, where we're breaking down bankruptcy, most commonly asked questions, how does it work, credit, you name it, we going through this, okay? And what I'm actually doing is taking a list of the questions that I've been asked from either consultations with clients, current clients, or even the comments that are in these videos and helping to answer those questions. And today is going to be no different. So, what are we talking about today? Today, let me look at my handy dandy notes. How much debt do you need to file? How much debt do you need to have in order to file bankruptcy? So, listen, I'm telling you straight, I'm so tired of y'all asking me this question. It's not even funny. I don't know what videos y'all out here watching on all the socials and all the videos, but listen, you don't need an arm, leg, and a thigh to file bankruptcy. And that's normally what people say. People will call and be like, so I have $30,000 worth of debt. I have a house, a car. I got two kids, a husband. I'm like, wait. Pause. How do you even know that that's what I'm asking you? And when did you take the time to figure out how much debt do you have? Why are you telling me how much debt you have? And why do you have to believe you need a certain amount of debt in order to file bankruptcy? Yes, you do. However, it's not the number you think it is. So I'm going to let you think about that. From all the stuff you've watched, heard, thought through, talked to friends about, your mama about, how much debt do you think you have in order to file bankruptcy? The lowest amount you need is $2,500 in order to file bankruptcy. Wait, what? You want me to repeat that? Right. $2,500 worth of debt is the minimum amount of debt you need to have in order to file bankruptcy. But wait, I thought I needed more than that. I don't know why. I don't know where you're getting this information from. And I told y'all back in episode 2, be mindful of who you're getting your bankruptcy information from. Make sure it's not somebody that keeps refiling their own bankruptcy preparer who won't put their name on your paperwork. Somebody who just talking, who don't have a background in bankruptcy or the law or the court or went to law school. Or listen, you need to be mindful of who you listening to. At bare minimum, you need $2,500 of debt in order to file bankruptcy. Let's be honest, $2,500 a debt is literally one credit card. It could be 3 medical bills. Hey, honestly, you did that. You had to call the ambulance. That ambulance bill is equal to the $2,500 or more that you need to file bankruptcy. It's important for you to understand that the reason you're not sleeping at night is not because of all the bills you have. It's the lack of knowledge and information you have and who you're getting your information from. And I need you to be honest with yourself. Is it easier for you to sit here and rob Peter, Paul, and you know the way the economy is set up now? We robbing Samantha, Kristen, Karen, Johnny Smith. Like it ain't just robbing Peter and Paul no more. What do you need? You need to start talking to a bankruptcy attorney and see if this is the option for you because the economy is doing some different things right now. And because of that, it's important for you to be educated when you're making these financial decisions that are being made. So now we know how much debt you need. Well, what kind of debt? Because I heard that's being mixed up all over the place too. So it can be credit cards, payday loans, a firm pay, or any of those pay later options. I'm not saying a firm pay because I don't even know if that's the name of it. However, it is the pay later option. You can do your utility bills, old phone bills, medical bills. I probably said that already. Previous cars that had repossessions on there, an old landlord that you owed money for an eviction case, uh, a foreclosure on a house, a lawsuit from one of the credit card companies. Listen, the list goes on of what you can file. If anything, you want to make sure of what things can't go into the bankruptcy. That list is smaller than the amount of debts that can go into the bankruptcy that's going to be able to help you sleep at night. So some of the exceptions to the rules are going to be certain years of tax returns. Not the tax return, the taxes that you owe, right? Student loans. There are certain government entities that you can't avoid, like child support. You can't discharge child support. However, this is why I say it's very important for you to talk to a bankruptcy attorney, because at the end of the day, even though there's all these general rules and concepts that are available about bankruptcy, your situation is not like your friend or the person at church, the person that was at the bus stop you was talking to. You know what I'm saying. At the end of the day, it's important that you understand that your situation is so specific to you that you want to make sure you're meeting the requirements, you qualify, and that you don't lose nothing. Because who's filing bankruptcy to lose something? Nobody. So, with that being said, this is the end of this episode. You can comment, leave a reply. Let's talk about it. You have questions, let me know. I'm here to help. My name is Attorney Melbourne. I'm the principal attorney of Upton Law, PLLC, and let us help you get educated on if bankruptcy is for you.